Well, it looks like the weather is getting a little colder outside. Don Paul joins us now more with a look.
And some words to go with the look. If I just stand here and run the graphics, I'll be out of here in 30 seconds, which would make the producer happy. Well, we do have some winter in the works, as we've been advertising all week long, but it is being delayed in its arrival. You can see behind me there are snow showers. They're not going to add up to too much overnight, but there will be enough of them when they become more concentrated late tonight to produce some slick spots on the road. But a winter weather advisory goes into effect in the pre-dawn hours tomorrow for Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties, as well as Warren County, that's in our secondary coverage, and McKean County, which includes, of course, Bradford. This is from early tomorrow through the daytime hours. We're going to start to see multiple bands of lake effect on top of the general snow shower activity, which will focus on this higher terrain. And it's good news. KB should get some out of this, but better news even for Ellicottville, because you're in that advisory area. You're going to get some helpful powdery snow that becomes more powdery as the cold air finally starts to deepen. This is lightweight stuff, but it is picking up a little bit right now around Youngstown and Lewiston, and these moderate snow showers, at least on radar, will be crossing Niagara County, getting into Orleans County, and some lighter snow showers, flurry type, in the Northtown suburbs and near the city as well, and more in the southern tier. But as I said, this activity will pick up more so after midnight. And the main surge of organized snow right now is skipping around to our south, but we're going to see some additional lift in the atmosphere here to make some more snow after midnight. 32 degrees, not much of a wind chill, not much of a wind, 10 miles an hour. The wind will start to become a problem as we get into the second half of the weekend, picking up enough to take the snow that's been deposited and blow it around quite a bit, especially on north-south roads. Currently 28 up at Niagara Falls with that light snow, 32 at the Buffalo Airport, and we've got upper 20s across the southern tier in northern Pennsylvania. And tonight, temperatures are not going to be dropping as dramatically as it looked earlier this week. I told you last night the Arctic air is being a little delayed in its arrival. With the cold front slowing down, that also increases the chance for snow to accumulate. So we've got 30s here, then you get behind the front, you can see 10 at Marquette. And the Arctic air to the north and northwest, it's cold, but the really coldest part of it will be missing the lower 48. Look at these readings. This will be kept over eastern Canada and not get a chance to get in here. Super microcast indicating widespread snow showers by 8 o'clock. Darker blue indicating slightly heavier rates of snowfall, some breaks. And then more snow moving in tomorrow morning, the steadiest of it tomorrow morning, with a general 2 to 3 inch accumulation even on the Niagara frontier. The heaviest amounts in the hills to the south and southwest of Buffalo. Then the winds become northwesterly late tomorrow night and pick up towards Sunday morning, producing more blowing snow with some lake effect focusing mostly on the hills Sunday morning and winding down later in the day. Here is your forewarned forecast. Snow showers around, but they'll become more numerous late tonight and in the pre-dawn hours. Enough for some slick spots, but no big deal accumulations overnight. 20 to 23. Tomorrow, the steadiest snow in the morning, 2 to 3 inches across most of the Niagara frontier, but 3 to 6 inches in the advisory area well to the south by evening, getting windier in the afternoon and temperatures falling into the teens later on. Tomorrow night, we drop down to 8 in the valleys to 15 in the metro area, an additional 2 to 4 inches on the hills to the south, much lesser amounts up here on the Niagara frontier. Blowing snow becoming a problem after midnight and into Sunday due to 20 to 30 mile an hour winds and stronger gusts. And we'll be at 21 to 25, but we ditch the 20s. Take a quick look at the extended outlook, and we're moving onward and upward temperature-wise as soon as we get to Monday.
Well, winter comes in real quick, and then it looks like it kind of oozes out again.
That's the way it's been all winter so far.
All right, thanks, Don.